Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin on the Kraken app. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now as you can see, currently we are on a brand new account for Kraken, and from here you can see all the popular coins that you can simply click on, and then from here you can buy it or deposit it into your account from another wallet. Now, once you have that on your Kraken app, you're going to see on the bottom right section an app called Crack in that section. Once you go here, it will tell you to open the second app that they have created from the same company, which allows you to send in an app for Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. So once you go to your portfolio, as you can see right now on my portfolio, there is only some cash in USD, just like right here. But if I deposit any Bitcoin or buy any cryptocurrencies on the app, it will show up right here, which will help us for the next step. We're going to click on Crack and it will tell us to check out that application. Now, once you click on it, it will send you to the new application for you to download it. And once you create your account or simply sign in with the other account that you had from Kraken, then it will show up right here in your Kraken balance. And then from here, all you have to do is click on it. And then from here, you're going to select whichever currency you might like. So for example, the USD. And then from here, you're going to simply click on either deposit, transfer, convert, or buy. And then from here, you can select on send. And then you're going to search for any person's wallet. You can sync your contacts or send as a pay link. And then from here, you're going to send it for anyone that would like to receive that Bitcoin. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.